The Reiki Principles, such an amazing gift in the system of Reiki, and really a powerful practice to incorporate whether or not you're trained in Reiki. Aloha all, my name is Eleanor. I'm a Reiki Master Teacher, and I have been practicing Reiki for 20 years and teaching for 19. And I teach the 5 Reiki Principles in all of my trainings. I also impart the 5 Reiki Principles to individuals whether or not they are trained in Reiki. But this video really is to focus for the people that I've trained. Also, not only for the people that I train and work with, but for anybody on this platform that is trained in Reiki, curious about Reiki, or just simply wanting an improvement in their lives. The 5 Reiki Principles can be chanted or just spoken, by anyone. And they have such an incredible value on a life level, on a health level, on an energy level. They, like anything else that you might chant, they're similar to the mantras that we might chant in Kundalini Yoga. They're similar to mantras that we might chant in any kind of spiritual practice or any meditative practice or yogic practice. They're also similar to affirmations. And as we chant them, they invoke a vibration, they invoke a frequency that not only denotes their meaning, but also helps to shift the energy around us simply by the power of the word, by the energy. And we know that from Matsuru Emoto's work, who demonstrated through water drops how you can change the crystalline structure of a water drop related to the word that you might put to it. So the words love, the words peace, the words thank you shifted the crystalline structure into a beautiful image. And then the words like I hate you or negative words just destroyed and distorted the water drops. So the same is true for ourselves and the words that we might be thinking and we might be saying to ourselves. So the 5 Reiki Principles are really a powerful practice in shifting our consciousness and shifting our frequency and shifting our vibration, and also setting the trajectory for our day and for our lives. As we practice and chant the principles, we ultimately live the principles. So as part of that, I'd like to show you a visual of the 5 Reiki Principles and chant them with you. And here are the 5 Reiki Principles, as closest to the origins of Mikao Usui as I know, and the ones that I use and teach. So it begins with the mystical art of inviting blessings, the spiritual medicine of many illnesses, which I just absolutely love that line. In Japanese, as best as I can relay it. So excuse me for those that it might be Japanese origin or know the language better than me. Please excuse any misrepresentations. So, Shofuku no hiho, mambyo no reaku. The mystical art of inviting blessings, the spiritual medicine of many illnesses. Shofuku no hiho, mambyo no reaku. Just for today, kyo dake wa. Do not anger, ikaruna. Do not worry, shimpai suna. Be filled with gratitude, kansha shite. Work diligently, gyo hageme. Be kind and compassionate, hito ni shinsetsuni. So we would chant them originally in Japanese, and as we chant them in Japanese, it's like chanting in Sanskrit. There's a power in the word, not just in its meaning. And it has a vibrational tonality that really penetrates us, our consciousness, and our field, and affects our days. So let's chant it together in Japanese 3 times. Your eyes can be closed if you like, and your hands can be either on your lap, or if you like, they can also be in Gasho meditation, also known as Anjali Mudra, literally means hands together. It's also balancing the right and left hemisphere of your brain. Yeah. So as we chant utilizing the power of our hara, There's a concentration in the hara in the navel center, in the dantian, in the system of Usui Reiki. So as you chant, inhaling into the hara and chanting from the hara gives power to the words and also helps to cultivate the energy in your hara. So bring in the hands in gasho and let's begin. Inhale, exhale, inhale to begin. Shofuku no hiho, mambyo no reaku, kyo dake wa ikaruna, shimpai suna, kansha shite, gyo hageme, hito ni shinsetsu ni. Kyo dake wa ikaruna, shimpai suna, kansha shite, gyo hageme, hito ni shinsetsu ni. Kyo dake wa ikaruna, shimpai suna, kansha shite, gyo hageme, hito ni shinsetsu ni. Inhale, exhale. Gently place your hands at your lap. Rest here a moment. Let's tune into the sensations, the frequency and vibrations. And as you're ready, opening your eyes. I hope that you enjoyed that and benefited from that. I definitely felt a surge. It's amazing when I chant the 5 Reiki principles. It is like a treatment. It is very much like an attuning me back in connection with that source connection, that Reiki connection, that soul energy connection. That you can come back to this video anytime. Do drop me a comment. Let me know any questions. Let me know your experience. If you're already trained in Reiki, let me know your experience with the 5 Reiki principles. And if you aren't already subscribed, please do so and like and drop that comment. It helps the algorithms on this platform to support these videos and making it out to others so that they might benefit and help this channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching. Sending so much aloha, Reiki love your way.